outside on the hotel's grounds. It's a few minutes walk down to the beach. Along the way, you will pass a few summertime concert facilities that have closed for winter. Such as the water park, and most of the outdoor pools. Snack bars and restaurants. The amphitheatre, which is about halfway between the hotel and the beach, and where you would go to watch the entertainment on a night time, was also closed for winter. Down at the beach is the Italian snack bar and restaurant. We would walk down most lunchtimes for a bite to eat and a few drinks. And we're always greeted by the excellent staff. It's a great place to spend an hour or two, especially when the sun was shining. When it rained though, the hotel instead provided an a la carte service at the Italian restaurant in the lobby. The jetty was also closed for the season. But the beach had quite a few lounges for guests to use. Other facilities the hotel offers are a heated outdoor and indoor pool, spa facilities, and a gymnasium. all of which can be accessed via downstairs. Between the ground floor level and downstairs is the bowling bar and games room. Which came in handy for the times it rained, which it did. On and off for a few days, including Christmas Eve, Christmas Day and Boxing Day. Throughout our time, the hotel staff were readying for the Christmas and New Year celebrations, which got into full swing on Christmas Eve. Serving up an amazing Christmas buffet and entertainment for all the guests. We had a really good time at Titanic Deluxe Lara. The staff really made us feel welcome. They were very polite, helpful, and always on hand to help with any mobility issues. And that added a lot to the enjoyment of the holiday. If you enjoyed watching this and other Kraigy Travels content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Give the like button a click if you found the video helpful. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now.